Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna casserole updated. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F and boiling the pasta until just al dente. Meanwhile, drain 2 cans of tuna and set aside. In a large bowl, mix cream soup, milk, peas, cooked pasta, and tuna, then season with salt and pepper. Transfer to a baking dish, top with cheese and crumbs, and bake until bubbly and golden. For great result, gather your ingredients before starting and measure them out. Use 2 cans of tuna drained well for consistent flavor and texture. Cook 8 ounces of short pasta to just shy of done so it finishes perfectly in the oven. Stir together 1 can of cream soup, 1 cup of milk, peas, and seasonings until smooth. Fold in tuna and pasta gently to avoid breaking the flakes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple meals. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to make your commute smell great and keep you smiling while cooking. I link it and other deals in the description for easy find and savings. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Finishing touches matter, and a crunchy topping makes all the difference. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheese and half a cup of breadcrumbs mixed with butter over the assembled casserole. Bake at 350 degrees F for about 20 to 25 minutes until it bubbles and the top turns light brown. Allow the dish to rest for 5 minutes before scooping so the sauce settles and neat portions come out easily for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.